AI is replacing humans faster than you realize. September 2024. A law firm in New York let go of 47 paralegals in one day, not because of budget cuts or poor performance, because an AI system could do in 3 hours what took them 3 weeks. The partners didn't even hesitate. The AI made no mistakes, worked around the clock, never asked for a raise, and cost less than one employee's salary. Those 47 people, most of them are still out of work. This isn't a warning about the future. It's happening right now, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. For decades, we were told AI would take the boring jobs first, repetitive tasks, manual labor. We were told creative work was safe, that human judgment was irreplaceable, emotional intelligence couldn't be replicated. We were told we had time to adjust. Every single one of those promises was wrong. By 2024, AI isn't just replacing factory workers, it's replacing lawyers, doctors, artists, writers, programmers, teachers. And it's doing their jobs faster, cheaper, and often better than humans ever could. In 2023, Goldman Sachs released a report saying AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs worldwide in the next decade. That's not tasks. That's entire careers, gone. And even that number is already outdated. AI is advancing faster than anyone predicted. GPT-3 came out in 2020. It could write basic text. GPT-4 arrived in 2023. It passed the bar exam, scored in the 91st percentile on the SAT, solved problems that stumped human experts. The gap between what AI can do and what humans can do is closing at an astonishing rate. Customer service. Millions of call center jobs are disappearing. Klarna, a Swedish bank, replaced 700 agents with one AI system. That AI handles all the work, customers get faster responses, and the company saves $40 million a year. Those 700 workers, they're now competing for jobs that don't exist. Radiologists spend years learning to read X-rays and MRIs. AI can now detect tumors and abnormalities more accurately than human radiologists. Hospitals are adopting these systems because they're faster and never get tired. A radiologist might miss something at 3 a.m. after a 12-hour shift. AI doesn't have 3 a.m. It doesn't make mistakes. Graphic designers thought they were safe. AI tools like Midjourney can now create professional quality designs in seconds. What took hours now takes minutes. Companies are letting go of design teams and relying on one person who knows how to prompt AI. Even programmers are being affected. GitHub Copilot writes code faster than most junior developers. AI can debug, optimize, and even design entire software systems. Companies are realizing they don't need 50 programmers, they need 5 plus AI. Creative jobs weren't safe either. In 2024, AI-generated music went viral, millions of streams. Record labels wanted to sign the artist, except there was no artist, just an algorithm. AI now composes music for films and commercials. Musicians are losing gigs to software that costs $50 a month. Writers thought they were safe too. Then AI started writing novels, news articles, marketing copy. News outlets are using AI to produce full articles, sports recaps, financial reports, breaking news. Readers can't tell the difference. And AI never misses a deadline. Artists watched their careers collapse in under 2 years. AI art generators can create images in any style. Want something that looks like Van Gogh? Done in 10 seconds. Freelance artists who charged hundreds or thousands per commission are now competing with AI that charges nothing. Work disappeared almost overnight. AI's growth is staggering. In 2018, the best AI models had around 100 million parameters. GPT-3 in 2020 had 175 billion. That's a 1,750-fold increase in just 2 years. We went from AI that could barely write a paragraph to AI that can reason through complex legal cases in under 5 years. And it's only getting faster. Companies are pouring hundreds of billions into AI. Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, OpenAI, they're all racing to build the best system. Whoever wins takes entire industries. There's no slowing down. If one stops, another keeps going. You might think your job is safe, that AI can't replace what you do. Teachers. AI tutors can give personalized lessons to hundreds of students at once, adjusting in real time to each learner. Some schools are already testing AI-led classrooms. Accountants. AI can process years of financial data in seconds, spotting patterns humans would never see. Truck drivers. Self-driving trucks are already on highways. The U.S. trucking industry employs 3.5 million people. Most of those jobs could vanish within a decade. Here's the hard truth. Our economy runs on a simple cycle. People work, earn money, spend money. But what happens when AI does most jobs better than humans? Millions lose income. They stop spending. Businesses lose customers. Companies using AI make record profits. They produce more with fewer workers. We're heading toward a world where a few companies get extraordinarily rich and everyone else scraps for the leftovers. People keep saying new technology creates more jobs than it destroys. The Industrial Revolution replaced farmers but created factory jobs. Computers replaced clerks but created programming jobs. But AI is different. It doesn't just replace hands, it replaces minds, decision-making, judgment, creativity. Once human thinking is gone, there's nowhere else to fall back. A factory worker replaced by a robot could become a truck driver. A truck driver replaced by self-driving trucks could become a customer service agent. But where does that agent go when AI handles all customer service? Where does a programmer go when AI writes all the code? The ladder of fallback jobs is disappearing faster than new ones appear. Most people don't want to hear this. It's scary. So they cling to comforting lies. AI will never replace my job. What I do is too complex. There will always be a need for human judgment. Those aren't facts, they're hope. And hope isn't a strategy. The replacement isn't coming, it's already here. The question isn't if your job will be affected, it's when. And for millions, that answer is now.